Disabling X-ray on Amazon Prime. In this video, I will show you how to turn it off in 2025. So make sure to like and subscribe. Step 1. Launch the Amazon Prime Video app or visit the website on your browser and then sign in to your account. Step 2. Start watching a movie or show, and then X-ray will automatically appear when you pause or move your cursor. Step 3. On your desktop, look for the gear or settings icon on the playback menu. On mobile, you can tap the screen to reveal the options. Step 4. If available, you will see a toggle for X-ray. Switch it off, and on some devices, you can only disable X-ray by hiding the overlay manually every time. Step 5. If you're on desktop, browser extensions like Video Overlay Blocker can block X-ray pop-ups permanently. And that's it. So if this video helped you, feel free to like and subscribe for more videos. Thank you for watching.